It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, March 5th. I'm Michael Groff. Clouds on the increase today, the wind picking up as well as a trough passes by well to the north of Arizona. A cold front will sweep across the region tonight and tomorrow. Much cooler temperatures, but rain chances will be minimal. Let's get out there and talk about it at 8:30 a.m. this morning. Mostly cloudy skies here in the valley right now. 61 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 39. Relative humidity 45%. The winds are light. The barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area this morning, mainly in the 50s to near 60 in the urban core. There's a band of clouds moving across the area. Maybe a few sprinkles or very light showers in far northern Arizona through the day today. But the big story will be the wind. Wind advisories extend from Show Low to Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, Sedona, Page, and then high wind warnings in Mojave County, Kingman, Lake Havasu City, Bullhead City. And that extends into much of Southern California, Southern Nevada, and throughout much of the Intermountain West. Meanwhile, red flag warnings extending into the Plain States. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe weather around the Great Salt Lake over toward Ogden, Utah today. And as far as our weather, let's talk about it. Here we go. Taking a look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock today. There's that cold upper trough. Most of the energy staying to the north of Arizona. Pretty deep surface low near Salt Lake City today, and a little bit of rain in Southern California, but the big story again, yes, is the wind. Winds picking up in Southern California, Southern Nevada, Northern Arizona, some gusts in a few spots, especially between Flagstaff over toward Kingman, Las Vegas, San Bernardino. You could have winds gusting around 50 miles per hour this afternoon. Here in the valley, a mix of sun and clouds. Winds out of the southeast 8 to 20 this morning. Switching to the southwest this afternoon, high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. As the cold front swings through tonight, we'll have breezy conditions, some clouds around. No precipitation, though. This is a dry system for us. Lows will be mainly in the 40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, breezy and much cooler. That low is already up into southern Manitoba and a blizzard for parts of North Dakota. But guess what? We're dry and much cooler. High temperatures mid to upper 60s. Tuesday, a chilly start to the day, lows in the 40s, but highs getting back into the low and middle 70s. The sky mostly sunny. Sunny on Wednesday, much warmer too, highs in the lower 80s. On Thursday, we're in the mid 80s, and in fact, some of the models are pushing us into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. I don't think it gets quite that warm, but some of the deserts, especially towards Southern California, could certainly get to the 90-degree mark. Then on Friday, some energy well to the south of Arizona as depicted by the GFS may help to keep temperatures in check just a bit. But even at that, highs would still be in the lower to middle 80s, the sky mostly sunny. Saturday, we're mostly sunny, but you do notice a parade of low-pressure areas well north of Arizona. And that'll help cool off temperatures just a bit as troughing begins to head toward the Pacific Northwest. High temperatures backing off into the upper 70s. Then this is Sunday, March 12th. Many of the models still don't show a broad troughing across the western states. The GFS has been very consistent in calling for this, so I feel somewhat confident in the idea of temperatures cooling off back toward the lower and middle 70s by the end of next weekend. But that's certainly not set in stone. A lot can change out here, and model spread grows substantially, especially as we head toward Monday, the 13th. Still looks like temperatures will be near seasonal normals, upper 70s to lower 80s, the sky mostly sunny. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Tuesday, the 14th of March, a mainly zonal flow, mostly sunny skies, high temperatures, again, upper 70s and lower 80s. Temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period. Looks like a cooler day tomorrow and then much warmer for the rest of the week, a bit cooler next weekend, and then the yo-yo of temperatures continues. But highs generally well above the 80-degree mark through most of the period. Lows in the 50s and low 60s. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Sunday.